I need to tell you something. Why is everybody in Omid? Why is everybody always skipping? Because of my accent, I cannot understand the people here.
No, I don't know.
Moshi moshi.
Yo, what's up mga kaberg? It's me again, Steven Dwight. I'm back. No, for today's video, I'm going to prank and Omid TV. And before I start this video, I just want to say thank you for this hammock and also this cap Kuya Jer, and make a shout out to Christian Prince Severino and John Alaba and Marca Troyon. Also, Kuya Jordan. Nani sila printing anak sa nina. If ganun mo comfortable nga sa nina nga nindot niya nga pagka-printa, contact mo Kuya Jordan. Link on the description below. Without further ado, let's get started. Mga kabergs, let's go!
Are you lost, baby boy?
Hello, my friend. I need to tell you something, my friend.
What?
I need to tell you something. Why is everybody in Omid? Why is everybody always skipping? Because of my accent, I cannot understand the people here.
No, I don't know.
Can I be your friend?
What?
Can I be your
Can
friend?
you...
I don't have friend here. I don't know.
Yes, you can.
Where
You can
are-
be my friend.
Where are you from, my friend?
From Philippines, ma'am.
I love that country, my friend. I very love that
Where are
country.
you
my
from?
friend. I'm from India, my friend. From Bangladesh. But I'm here staying in the Philippines right now.
You're staying here in the Philippines?
Yes, my friend. Thank you for staying, my friend. I really appreciate your time, my friend. Why is it everybody
It's okay, my
always
friend.
skipping? I don't know. Because am I ugly or my
Yeah,
accent is
yeah.
very bad?
No. They are such a rude guy.
Thank you, my friend. You got me. Give me a fist bump, my friend. Give me a fist bump. My friend, I need to ask something, my friend. I need to ask, my friend.
Salamat lagi, my friend.
My friend, bakit yung mga tao dito, my friend? Di ko alam talaga, my friend, eh. Ginagawa nila sa buhay.
Umiiskip pare.
Pare, nasa YouTube channel ka na, pare.
Seryoso? Search ka namin, pare.
Sige, pare. Kita-gets, pare, ah. Matagal ko pa itong i-upload, pare, mga next week, pare, kasi wrong timing kasi yung ngayong gabi.
Pakita mo kami. Pakita mo kami.
Ha? Pare, I'm recording now, pare. Yan, sige, pare. Shoutout, sabi nyo. Anong mga pangalan nyo, pare? Shoutout yan, sige. Shoutout yung mga name nyo, pare.
Shout out. Marius Almanza. JP na Pisa. Marius Almanza.
Yan,
Ano pangalan mo,
shoutout,
pare?
Pare?
Anong channel mo? Anong channel?
Pare, ito yung channel ko, pare. Search nyo lang, pare.
Nag mga dito, lagi nag-i-skip.
Oo nga, pare.
Subscribe na ako. Nakasubscribe na yung tropa ko, pare. Ito.
Pare, don't skip the ads, pare.
Don't skip the ads.
Pare, bago pa lang ko sa YouTube,
Ayos
pare.
yan, tol.
I am a small YouTuber, pare.
Ayos yan, tol.
Pare, ingat kayo palagi, pare, ha. Maghanap po na akong mabibiktima ko, pare. Paalam sa inyo.
Sige, pare.
Keep safe, pare. Keep safe, pare. Keep safe. Hello, can I be your friend? Hello. Hello, my friend. Can I be your friend? Where are you from? Hey, my friend, don't escape to me. I have something to tell you.
What is it?
My friend, why is everybody in Omid TV always keeping at me because of my accent? I feel so bad, my friend. Can I be your friend? Tay. Hello, my friend. Hello, my friend. Hello, my friend. Hello, my friend. Hello. Where are you from? Where are you from, my friend? mura. Hello, my friend. Can you sing for me? Hello, my friend. Can you sing for me?
Ano?
Can you sing for me, my friend? I cannot understand what you are saying right now. Can you sing for me? You have a guitar. Can you sing for me? Can you sing for me? My friend, I cannot understand what are you singing right now. Can you sing in English, my friend? English. I wanna English sing, my friend. Yo, one day, I don't know why. Is in a mana hard to cry. That's, you know that song, my friend? Why are you laughing at me, my friend?
I can sing English.
You can. Where are you from?
Philippines.
Ganito to. Sana sinabi mo para di... Sali. You cannot speak English, tol?
Sana all.
Sana all. Bisaya ka? Bisaya ka?
Wala kayo nyo.
Balagyan nyo, Bakit di ka marunong mag-English, tol? Natatawa ka sa accent ko, no?
Wala ka naman Pilipino eh. Can you sing for me? Sabi mo eh.
Sige, tol. Bye-bye, tol. Keep safe. Yes, maraming din nadali. Why is it? You, my friend, can I be your friend? And I need to tell you something, my friend.
Taga-Pilipinas ka, huwag kang magulo.
My friend, I cannot understand what are you saying, my friend. Can you speak English, my friend?
No, my friend, I cannot English, my friend.
Where are you from, my friend?
Philippines.
Yeah, we are the same. I am from Philippines too, my friend. But my father is from Indian, my friend. My mother is a Filipina, my friend.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Don't skip, my friend. I have something to tell you, my friend. I'm not done talking to you, my friend. My
So,
friend,
what's up?
my friend, why is everybody, my friend, always skip, my friend? I cannot understand.
Sorry?
Why is everybody always skip, my friend? I cannot understand why is it already skip, my friend. Am I ugly?
Okay. No. Ako, paano ba to? Wait lang ha.
Sige lang, tol. Magsalita ka lang ng Tagalog. Dalawin lang, tol.
Ano ba, may kausap? Ang ina, hindi ako mahalaw ng English, boy. Ang pinahirapan mo ba ang Tagalog? Katagalog? Oo.
Peace, tol. Peace. Ingat yan, tol. Ingat yan.
Oo, ganun.
Hello. Can I tell you something?
What?
Please don't skip.
Ken.
Please don't skip. Why is everybody skip when they see me? Am I ugly? Am I ugly?
No, you're not.
Why is everybody say puta ina? I cannot understand what they are saying. What is the meaning of that? I cannot understand that.
Where are you from?
I'm from India, but I'm here Philippines right now. I'm studying because it's a pandemic. I cannot go home in my please.
I don't think I believe you. You look like you're Filipino.
I cannot hear you well. Can you
Is this a
speak?
prank?
Can you speak? Can you speak loud?
Okay. You look like you're a Filipino. I
Yeah, I'm a
said.
Filipino. My mother is a Filipino, but my father is Indian.
Is this a... Okay.
No, it's a prank.
I knew it.
And I'm recording right now. Can I upload this in YouTube? Is that okay to you?
Yes, it's okay.
Okay,
What's your...
thank you.
Can I... What's your... What's your YouTube username?
My YouTube channel is Steven Dwight. Steven Dwight.
Steven Dwight.
Yeah, Steven.
Okay.
Bye! Have a great time.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. God bless. Stay safe.
You
May nadali na
too.
akong isa. Salamat. Bye-bye.
Bye.